boy. Let's wait. Good morning. Good morning. I am sitting outside enjoying the peace and quiet, the cool weather, and I just went and picked up a couple of packages. I think I know what these, yeah, I know what these are. Yeah, I was right. These are anoids. I always want to say anoids. Anoids. I don't know what else. Annoyed? No. Anoids. That's such a funny word now to me. Y'all ever do that? Y'all say a word so many times, it's like, is that right? Or you see it spelt some way, and you're like, did I spell that right? Anyway, goes for a hot water heater. We both got ours replaced in quartzite. So I went ahead and we both have the same kind. So I went ahead and ordered two. So we have two. And we have a backup if we need one. And let's see what else is in the other box. Some of this stuff was in my cart. I showed you what was in my Amazon cart and the books. I only bought one book. I don't even know if it was on that list. But I've read a lot about this. I think this is a bestseller or the Midnight Library. Been reading or heard a lot about this. So I got that. Look forward to reading that. Oh, I got this, in the camper, my curtain above the dining room table. I need to cut my hair. Maybe I'll get that done this week. It's a drape that you push up and pull down. The string broke. So here's they call it a shade, day and night shade restringing kit. Have you ever done this? Looks complicated. Probably have to watch some videos. Let's see if I can't repair that, because that's been a pain in the butt. I'm using clamps, little clamps to hold it open now. What else did I get? Oh, I got some Petcom for Sammy. She doesn't like to. She says, what? I like Petcom. You want it there? I use that for when we travel. It calms her down a little bit. I got me a new thermometer for my refrigerator and freezer. My other one was acting funny and going out, so I got me a new one. And 2 new pairs of pants. I needed those. Yeah. I guess that's it. Oh, and what I'm going to do today, because it's so nice out, is these are my seeds that I bought last year from Baker's Creek. Beets. I'm probably not going to plant any beets, but I am going to plant carrots, radishes. There's some rosemary, arugula. I'm not going to plant that right now, but I know I have some radishes in here and some little baby carrots. Let's get them all out. You want to? Carrots. See these little baby carrots? Yeah. They won't take up very much room, and I can put them in a pot and take them with me this summer. And we're going to be stationary this summer, so I won't have to move them around. And radishes. So that's what I'm going to plant today.
been in the 90s here. But we knew it was going to hit like that on the West Texas part. That's why we pushed to get Janice place done. Did you see the shorts I put up?
Today I am making some beef tips. Yeah, in this little bitty crock pot, in the small one, because I just have a little bit of stew meat. Got this on sale for $6.07 at Sprouts when I was in Yuma. Let's break it open. Beef tips for dinner. Oh, it's not gonna want to go. Oops, sorry, you bumped the camera. Bumped the camera. Still a little frozen. That'll be all right. Okay. I am gonna chop this onion. Kind of modified recipe here. Can of mushroom soup. Some beef broth. Okay.